and welcome back to these super simple Halloween costume making ideas with me, Miss Libby Rose. Hello! Thank you so much for joining me. And on this one, we're going to be making the pièce de la résistance, the tutu. So the tutu can be used as a witch, as a Halloween princess. There's so many different ways that you can use this tutu for, and you don't even need your sewing machine. What you will need is a piece of ribbon, preferably the ribbon that comes off of your fat quarter packs. So if you've been throwing those away, save them up because they're very useful for things, especially for today. So this you're going to be using as your waistband. So you've got a waistband. Then we've got these. They are called a tulle spool. So there's different colours. There's loads of different colours on the Hobbycraft website. So it's tulle spool, and they are fantastic because they're 23 meters long by 15 centimeters wide. So to make this tutu, normally I am cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting strips of net. So this saves loads of time, energy, and it's good as well because it comes already cut. And you will need some scissors. Then you will also need the person you're making it for or some sort of body to make it on, because it makes it so much easier to do so. Now, you're going to love this. So we tie this around the waist. So tie it around in a bow, and this is how you get in and out of your tutu. So it ties in a bow, and that's how you get in and out. Now make sure that there's enough space there that you can get a couple of fingers through that ribbon, okay, because you're going to need that. Then work out how long you're going to want your tutu. So that is then how long you cut these strips. So let's take one of these strips, and I want the length that I want, but in half. So as an example, 60 centimeters, and you fold that in half. So it's 120, and it's in half, okay? So I've got 60 and 60 on both sides. So we have the loop. And then I feed that loop in down. So the loop goes downwards first. Then I feed the rest of the net in through the peak. Okay? And again, I have a loop. I feed the loop through the ribbon. And then there's a piece here, so that's the bit that's folded over, and then I push that through to create like a knot. And then you carry on with all the colours, or just one colour, or whatever you choose. So you go in half, but push it down first, it makes a nicer loop, and then through. And carry on. And then, before you know it, you have created the most wonderful tutu without even sewing a stitch. So, I know it seems quite laborious going on and on and on, tying all the knots, but once you do, you've got this amazing tutu. So thank you so much for watching this Halloween make, and I look forward to seeing your tries, and I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial. Bye for now.